Hello! In this video I will show you how to set up VPN on TCL 50SE. So you have to start by opening your Google Play Store and then click on search bar and type in Turbo VPN and click search. Now you can select this application and click install. Now you can click open and then click agree and continue. And you can close this ad. Now click allow and click consent. Then you can click on this button and click on OK. Now you can close this ad, and as you can see, now I'm connected to VPN in Germany. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.